I'm out here hunting, and it's snowing pretty good, but it ain't gonna stick. It's just cold. Jamming out to Maytal. Get my headphones on. My friend's out there in the very bottom in his blind. See what happens. He's in the swamp, so. But look at snow just flying. Put this window open, maybe you can see a lot better. Window open. It's coming down pretty good. It's cold. It's 35 degrees out. 35 degrees out right there. Okay. I'm gonna shut my window now because it's cold. Because I have it at 70 in here right now. Almost 70. It's getting there. Got my heater on, my furnace. Anyhow, alright. I'm gonna be jamming out to Brooksea and some Maytal and just gonna sit here and see what happens. You guys have a good day. Peace. Just deer hunting. Michigan, West Branch, Michigan. Be safe.